You changed this before?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see, I need this. And I think I have mine. I'll get yours just in case though. Yeah, I changed everything you could think of, sweetheart.
Came in too close. So you have no changing room.
Oh yeah, I got enough room.
Yeah, I'm trying to see what you're gonna find when you pick out. But I had to see I just left from downtown doing a video with a group of people. I'm gonna add this to my group.
Go ahead. No,
No,
you can put me in. That's fine. I have a TikTok page and everything, so yeah, that's fine.
My own business, I'm gonna add this.
Yeah, definitely add it. Yeah, I have social media websites as well. So yes, ma'am. Please, yes, ma'am. Oh, you know what? You have a wheel lock. You have a wheel lock that I need. It may not even be up there. Let me see. Yep, that's it. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I remember the last one I did, she had it in the back, so I said, let me make sure.
It probably goes in the back.
Nah, keep it in the front. What kind of social platform you have?
I'm teaching with Lady K Enterprise. I do literacy programs, literacy community efforts, but I'm doing a Women's History Month celebration this month. And so I've been out showcasing our women in business for this month.
Okay.
So I did my last business with the Primerica office and got a little story how they got started, did our little selfie picture and all. Well, this upcoming Sunday. And here come the light coming on. I'm thinking.
How y'all doing, everybody? You can follow me as well. I'm on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram as Whos, WHOS.roadside.
Gotcha.
Yep.
You always business. I have so much that I'm trying to get to do over the weekend and back on Monday try to knock a few things out.
What you mean they should?
Huh?
You say they should?
I guess. I mean.
Oh, you got two holes in it. Okay.
You see two?
Yep, one here and one there.
Like somebody stabbed that, huh? That don't even look like.
No, that's not a stab.
Like trying to do me in?
Nah, you.
You think that just happened though?
Yeah, that just happened.
Hit something downtown and they're doing some construction. I must have.
Yeah, you hit something in the street. That's all it was.
So you did a nail stay in, but they came out that quick?
Not all the time. It depends on how far it goes in sometimes.
Okay. Yeah, I just tried to call CarMax and she was saying that I still have to schedule with them to come back and let them check the tires and I have to get the tire replaced. But they just bought new tires when I bought the car in November.
Yeah.
And so I told her I'm hoping to just get the nail repair and someone will run the tire discount tire and let them repair it.
Yeah, they can repair it. They're just gonna have to repair it from the inside. They're gonna have to tell them you want them to patch it, not plug it. So you can go in there and just tell them what you want. Tell them you want to get that tire patched. A plug is where you stick something on the inside of it.
Right.
And a patch is simply your.
I thought the patch was more durable, huh?
To me, that wasn't what.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I'm gonna tell you like this. I've done plugs and they lasted forever. I got plugs in the tires of my truck right now. And they've been in that since probably 3-4 years ago.
Yeah.
So I mean, it just depends. There's a lot of people say they'd rather pass it over a plug, but I mean, it's no difference to me. If it's done correctly, it don't matter. Tire flat too. All right. Yeah, that one's flat. And see, you do women's. What do you do again?
So this month we're having a Women's History Month celebration at the Goodwood Library on this Sunday, 2 to 5.
Okay.
So we educate on like literacy, reading, we do book clubs, we educate on financial wellness, like mental workshops.
Mm-hmm.
Back to school programs, we do community events.
Okay.
Community empowerment.
Got you.
So
Okay.
what I do, this is my extra adventure outside of my regular. I was trying to see if you wanted to follow me back.
On it, but I know that says inflate too, so I know that goes automatic.
Oh, so this don't read the same way as that type of tire.
Not all the time. Let's see. There's a lot of information on this side though that you probably should know about. Like, where is it at? See if I can find it. There's the year that your tire was made. Should be stitched on it. Okay, right here. So see the 3/4/25? That means that these tires were made in the 34th week of 2025.
34.
The 34th week. So that would be, yeah, September, somewhere around there.
Tell me that again.
Yeah, no problem at all. You always look for this enclosure right here.
Guys, this is a side note.
On
Talking to Mr. Roadside, Mr. Washington's Roadside. He gave me a little information for us to know about these tires.
Okay, so if you look at these numbers right here, always the last 4 numbers. You see the 3425,
Okay.
which tells you that these tires were created in the 34th week. The 34th week, not day, 34th week of 2025.
Okay.
The 25 stands for the year, and the first 2 numbers stands for the week of that year.
Okay, y'all, we knowing something now. Come on, ladies.
That's the way you can always.
Everybody, but for sure, us ladies need to know.
Yeah, that's the way you can always check. If somebody telling you to sell you a brand new tire, look for that number. If you see that number and it says 25, 26, you know. I had a customer earlier that told me her tires were brand new and they were made in 2024. That's not brand new.
Okay.
So
Well,
yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You're welcome.
We need to know if you guys are